When I made this jumpsuit exactly 1 year ago, I discovered that the crotch area was a bit tight, but it wasn't obvious. I could still manage it. So this year, I think I've added a little bit of weight and it's more visible that this crotch area is tight. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the error without it being obvious. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use a sharp object to open up this crotch area, or you can use a razor blade to do this. So guys, this is what I have after I was done losing the crotch area. So the next thing that you'll be needing to fix this opening is the exact fabric, and I have this piece here. The next thing is to fold this little piece like this. Then on this crotch area that I open on the trouser, I'm going to measure it to see the length that we have there. After measuring it, I have 9 inches. So on these small pieces of fabric, I'm going to measure the 9 inches. Then I'll use my chalk to mark it. After that, I'm going to give these pieces of fabric this type of curve or shape that fits the crotch area that I lost. This does not require any form of measurement. Just curve it out like this so that it can fit the crotch opening, okay? Now let's cut this out. Now I'm going to place this piece on the crotch and I'll use my pin to pin it. Then I'll go ahead to arrange this piece on the crotch. Then I'll pin it all the way around. After pinning this, I'm going to head over to the sewing machine to sew this all the way around. Before I go over to the sewing machine to sew this, let me turn this over to the right side so that you see what it looks like. So this is how it's going to come out looking like when I am done sewing. Now let's go over to the sewing machine to stitch this all the way around. So guys, this is what I have it looking like after I was done stitching this all the way around. So the next I'm going to do, I'm going to take this over to the ironing table and iron the seam line properly. And I'll also be taking this to a weaver to weave everything. This is what it looks like after I was done ironing. You can see how clean and how relaxed this crotch area is looking. And I have also gone ahead to weave the rough edges. So this is how it looks like on the right side. Now my jumpsuit is back, and here is exactly how it looks like on the right side. You can see that it's highly unnoticeable. This is what I have it looking like after everything. You can see that the crotch area is sitting properly now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next one.